doing a slime video today. We are making clear slime. We have our clear glue. We have clear glue we're using. And this is the slime recipe.
Okay, so the slime recipe is half a cup. Thank you to this website, Little Bins for Little Hands, because that's where I got this recipe from. Half a cup of glue mixed with what?
Water.
How much?
Half a cup of water.
And then
one teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water.
And then you mix that in one container?
And mix those in, mix the borax and water in another
And then you pour the borax mixture into the glue mixture. And then you take that mixture and you put it into a third clean container. And that's supposed to make the best slime. That's what they say. So
we're going to try that.
Okay, so first we'll take
the glue.
Which measuring cup do you have there that you're going to use? The 1/4 cup? Because we're going to half the recipe, so...
Do I use a 1/4 cup? Because I have like 2 of them.
Yeah, 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup, okay.
Because we're going to half the recipe, right?
So I put the glue in this one?
Yeah. Where's your container for the mixture? Okay, that's for the glue mixture.
It's so hard to get out.
Why don't you just take off the lid?
I never thought of that. Yeah, forget the phone.
But be careful, hold it. Don't hold it.
Hold it on the side like this. Come out. I think that should be about enough.
Yeah.
I don't want to fill it and make it like all come out.
So it's clear glue, and we're going to put it into this little cup.
Put it out.
You might have to use your finger or that little knife, not the spoon, because we need to reach into the borax with that.
Okay, that's really scrapey. Okay, we finished putting the glue in here. It's kind of like water when you move it around.
Okay.
I'm gonna take the water and pour it into here. So put it into this one.
So we're going to measure about the same amount of water.
There we go. Now you gotta mix it.
Mix it really well.
Well, it's like really clear water.
Here, let's do a little close up on it here.
It's like
Well, that's pretty neat, actually. It's kind of like
it
has a lot of bubbles in it and stuff.
I like it. Okay.
Now in your other container,
We'll make the borax one.
I'm going to take a teaspoon of that. We're supposed to half the recipe, so it says half a teaspoon into half a cup. But just do the 1 teaspoon into 1 cup.
Okay, 1 teaspoon.
Might not work the same though.
Okay.
Because this is less
Do
glue.
I use this one for the water?
I think you should try to make it half a teaspoon instead. Here. You hold the camera for a second, but don't put me on it.
I won't.
Today.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put that to the side. And I'm gonna... You should not eyeball things. Don't just guess, but today, because I do a lot of baking, I'm gonna guess today. So it's about a half a teaspoon, okay, of borax powder.
I'm gonna show them the colors we got. We got black,
Hold it.
green.
You're gonna make people go dizzy if you hold it all over the
We have
place.
black. We have Kelly green. We have more black. We have lemon yellow. We have sky blue, rose pink, royal blue, and golden yellow. Okay, now let's get on with making the slime.
Okay, and then you're going to mix a half a cup of water. So does that say half a cup? What does it say?
Isn't this one half a cup?
No, that's a quarter of a cup. But how many?
Half a cup,
What does that say? Does that say half a cup?
I think.
What does it say?
1, 3.
1/3. That's a third. Then that's not a half.
Okay, I'm gonna use
So,
it.
no, stop.
Do I use that?
It's important that when you're, especially if you're showing other people what to do, that you're using the things that you're doing. Okay.
We didn't have a quarter cup, so we're gonna
Or a
use,
half a cup, you mean?
I mean half cup, so we're gonna use 2 quarters of cup. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Now let's mix. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna pour them into this.
No, first you
we're gonna pour them together.
mix them together first and mix it. Okay. Oh, don't let the powder all go in.
Oh.
Okay, stir it up.
Whoa, it's already working.
Whoa.
That's so cool.
Okay, now reach in with your hands and pull out the glob. And put the glob into this.
Wait, I'm gonna stir it a little more.
Yeah. Reach in with your hands and pull out the glob.
Okay, yeah. Wow, it's a big glob.
Yep.
I can't get it. It's
Yes,
so
you
hard
can.
to
It
get.
might be a couple of times that you gotta reach in.
I almost got the whole thing. It's a bunch of globbiness. Oh no, there's no more, it's not really gloppy anymore.
Now this
This is the
slime turned out the way we wanted it to, didn't it? Oh, gross.
It's like really slimy.
Oh, it feels like eggs, almost.
I bet you could make slime out of eggs. I don't know that.
If we mix it up and mix
Let
it
me.
up some more. Oh, my hand feels all like slimy and...
So gooey.
Oh, there's even still some left in here.
Ooh, look how nice it is.
So, and because we have, whoops, this extra container, why don't we put a little bit into it after it's all really mixed well,
Wow.
and add a little bit of green and make it like...
Wait, wait, okay, let's make a little bit of some boogers, and then I'm gonna choose my own color to make mine.
So there was some liquid left over, but that's okay.
We didn't need that, but you like the way we didn't.
This turned out the way it was supposed to. It would be fun to take this slime and put our like Lego guys,
I want to turn this into
or
boogers. Ew, I'm gonna go wash my
the trash pack, or the not the Shopkins, but those other guys. Ugh. Okay, yep, this is exactly what I wanted it to turn out like, slime. Goopy, slimy, farty.
Okay, let's dye it now, though. Okay, this will be the boogers, and that will be whatever color I choose. Let's take the green, and let's turn it into boogers. Ouch. Hard slime got stuck on here. Ah! My hand's turned green in this container.
So I'm getting a little carried away here. So slimy and gooey. What color is that? Green?
Yes.
Make sure you got a good... Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Move out of the light.
Wait.
There we go. Okay.
My hands are so green. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. This hand because it's my green hand. Whoa, it's done.
Is it working well?
Yeah, just it's a little hard with the tiny container, but it's still fun. Bottom's like just staying. Ooh, the slime's perfect to take out now. Okay, we still got some white. I mean, clear though. Ah,
Take that off my hand. All right.
look at this. Wait, let's dye this one now.
All right. What color? Put that one back into that container.
I know what color I'm dyeing this one. I'm gonna dye it Kelly green. I mean royal blue. Kelly green. I was thinking of this one, so I said Kelly green. Ah! My hand's just turning blue. Okay, let's dye it royal blue. Yeah. We'll have royal blue color. Whoa, that was quick. Oh, it just dyed my hands. I put too much food coloring.
Well, that's what happens sometimes when you work with dyes.
It's fun though.
Yep.
Look at that. It's so nice feeling. Is it? Yeah, it's transparent, I think. Is that what it's called? Transparent?
Yeah, translucent.
Translucent, I said that. It's so nice. Okay, but I can you can slowly stretch it.
So when you pull it apart slowly, it stretches, and when you try to do it quickly, it just breaks apart, eh?
Yeah, that's what happens when you make it with wax. But if you make it with detergent, it works.
Well, I guess next time we'll make some with detergent, and we'll see
And it stretches
how that
really
turns
well.
out.
Yes.
Alright guys, well,
Bye.
after a successful slime making, bye.
Bye.
Bye.